Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Need or Say More. Today we're going to be talking about a technique that can completely change the way your waistbands sit, understitching. If you've ever sewn a waistband or a facing and it keeps flipping out, this is the step that will fix it. So understitching is a line of stitching that secures the seam allowance to the facing or the inside of your garment. So you sew really close to the seam line, just a few millimetres away, and it keeps the inside piece tucked neatly where it should be. So think of it as training your fabric to stay in place. So why it matters is because it stops your waistbands, facings and linings from rolling to the outside. It makes your garment sit flat and look more professional. And it's one of those steps that makes your handmade clothes look less homemade and more handcrafted. So it doesn't take long, but it makes a huge difference to the final finish of your garment. So if you're thinking, how is this different from top stitching? The difference is top stitching is visible from the outside. So top stitching is designed to be decorative as well as functional. So you'll see this on jeans and pockets and hems, and it's meant to be seen. Understitching is invisible from the outside. It's hidden inside, doing all the work quietly, keeping everything in place. Here on the Emerson Trousers in this video, I'm understitching the waistband. So you can see I'm stitching just inside the seam on the facing side and I'm catching the seam allowance underneath. When I turn it back up and press, it's going to stay put. There'll be no rolling, no showing from the outside. So that's understitching. This is the hidden step that will make a big difference. So next time your waistband wants to flip out, try it and you'll see the difference straight away. If you found this helpful, give it a like and a subscribe. And for more sewing tips that make your clothes look and feel better. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.